Hey, right at you, your boy Jay on the Segway. Look, today's video, we're gonna put the GoPro Mission 1 through the different recording styles. So it has like balance tuning, it has flat tune, it got face priority, vibrant colors. There's all different types of tunes. There's two different categories that GoPro put in the Mission 1 cameras, whether it's the Mission 1 or the Mission 1 Pro. So I'm going to show you guys, because in the videos, GoPros be GoProing, especially when the sun is out. Like I got a little bit of sunlight right here, so I was able to do one final test at the end of this video just to kind of show you guys how the best mode, the mode that actually brightened up my face the best, how it looked in that mode with the actual sun in the background. Let's get to it. All right, so GoPro has an issue where your face can look dark when you have a really bright background, like right now. I don't even have the sun out, but it's really bright out, right? You know, for my back, for a cloudy day. So right now it is on flat profile and balanced tuning. This is how it looks. This is cinematic video on balanced. And here we have natural with balanced tuning. Vibrant color profile with balanced tuning. Got flat tuning, but sport. This is how it looks. Cinematic mode, sport tuning. Natural color profile, but sport tuning. You have vibrant with sport mode or sport tuning. Flat profile, but face priority. Cinematic mode, face priority. Natural color profile, but face priority. Vibrant colors with face tuning. And just for shits and giggles, underwater. Cinematic mode, but underwater. Natural, but underwater. And just for shits and giggles, vibrant on underwater mode. And just for shits and giggles, I finally got a little bit of sunlight in the background. So just so you guys can see how it looks. That is the best mode that it was actually available on, with face priority. Again, one more gain with the sun in the background. How do I look? Now, I'm gonna do the same test with ND filters. So if you guys wanna see that video, subscribe and hit the notification bell so when that video comes out, you get the notification, players. Okay, so which one do you guys think looked the best? Get in the comments. Let me know in the comments below which one looked best to you. And if you have any ideas as far as a test like this or with audio, because right now you guys are listening to me with the GoPro microphone. I guess since it's their very first microphone, I'll get to call it the GoPro microphone. So you guys are hearing me on that microphone, the wireless kit with the USB-C receiver on 0 decibel gain is how it sounds. Sounds really good, in my opinion. It does. I didn't do any processing to this video. I didn't do any processing to the audio. All I did was take all the videos that we've grabbed from in the camera and just put it out there. That's it. So you guys can see it raw dog. You can obviously manipulate the colors. I did 8-bit coloring, by the way, in case anybody was wondering. I recorded this in 8-bit. The ISO, the shutter speed, all of that stuff was on auto. And the bit rate's on low, or standard rather, because it's just standard and high. So I had it dumbed down on purpose so you guys can see like worst case scenario type of deal. And from there we can just get better. So if you guys like what you saw, give me a like, hype the video. If you want to hype it, share the video. If you're in a group or something like that and someone has any questions and they have a question on, hey, which setting is the best for, you know, with the sun in the background, send them this video. That way, if they have any more questions, they can come ask me and I'll take care of them, just like I'll take care of you guys if you have any questions. So check out the links in the description below. They got G's Moto, that's the homie down there. She's a moto vlogger. get on her butt. I'm gonna continue to say that until I start forgetting to say that, because she ain't putting out that content like I needed to. So I need y'all to get over there and get on her butt and say, hey, yo, where's the next video? When's the next video? Jalen Segway Tutorials. Again, on that channel, I'm supposed to be making videos showing you guys how to do certain things. Like if you guys have questions on the audio with the GoPro, you know, on that channel, I'm supposed to make a video showing you all of the options and how to work them and which scenario might be best for which, because I understand some of you guys need to see things rather than read things. Reading is not going to do it. You guys got to see it happen. You got to see somebody do it, and that's how you learn best. So anyways, you're on the segue. Thanks for watching. See y'all in the next video, because you're going to subscribe, right? Because you want to see that ND filter. Will the ND filter make a difference with the light? ND filters are basically sunglasses that go over the camera lens, so it can manipulate colors, manipulate motion blur, give you that cinematic look. If cinematic is what you're trying to do, which by the way, the Mission 1 is a cinematic camera. A lot of people forget that and they call it an action camera, and in a sense it kind of is, but it's a cinematic action camera. So anyways, Jay on the Segway, thanks for watching. I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.